Jump Out TV production, viewers and subscribers, back with a hot new video. Another one, people, in today's video, we want to talk about squash 6ixBoss. People, Big Breeze artists, Big Breeze up in a them town. People, squash 6ixBoss find himself in a further hot water. Squash 6ixBoss life is over. Squash 6ixBoss career is over. People, the feds them actually subpoena Yahoo to turn over all information about squash 6ixBoss. Me tell you no say, when it come to the feds them no play with people. Them have a 90% conviction rate, and any case where them take up, them no lose. Them have the money, them have the tool, them have the resources, them have the manpower, them have the technology, them have the judge, them have the lawyer, the man them a work with a full team. People, squash 6ixBoss pick up a next charge. One of the tool them where squash 6ixBoss having a music video, the feds them find it. Somebody are informed. Somebody a sing like a bird. Remember, say, the feds come out and say them have somebody where used to associate themselves with the 6 camp. Them have somebody where credible. Them have an informer. Them have somebody where a snitch. And the feds them not tell lie, them not cap a straight facts. Them deal with when them a deal with certain issue. The man them cross all of them eyes and that them tease. People, when we tell on us say, them a go use everything where squash 6ixBoss use to criminate himself and set up himself. Them a use it against him. Just like how we see in a Vybz Kartel case back in the days where them get all of the information from the phone company, them get all of the information. Remember, say Jump Out TV production did tell on us say everything where squash 6ixBoss put up on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook, on the internet will be used against him in the court. Allah, uno say we chat too much, uno say we yap. One thing with the feds them, all of the information depend on their website. Seeing them also subpoena the Orlando Police Department to turn over some information when them they pull over squash 6ixBoss around 2023. Them a run with all of them information there as well. The body cam footage, everything when squash 6ixBoss did get himself in a trouble before, and them they hold them with a car with some tool in a hit. Them a go use all of that information there in a court. Right now, it better squash 6ixBoss just take the plea deal. Cause the information where them have upon him solid. Remember when Andrew Holness come out and make on know say him a go work closely with the government them overseas to catch the whole of the Dan them where run left Jamaica and a send back crazy tool Gayard. The man them have information. Allegedly information is upon the paper where show a receipt with certain man where send certain tool go back down a yard. A RICO case there so, and a RICO case right now in Florida where the feds them carry a minimum of 22 years or more. The feds them now play a crazy man they overseas and a buy tool and a send go back to Jamaica. People remember say the feds them come out and name 6ixBoss as a transnational gang leader. The man them have every information. The man them have him under surveillance from around 2020. A long time them a pre him and a bill a case against him. Plus we know say certain man like J-Man, they are prison where he might go face the death penalty. So right now we must sing like Tony Braxton. He must sing like Mariah Carey. He must sing like Whitney Houston. The man a sing for days. People are gonna talk cause right now that the youth they see how things set up. People are gonna talk, pressure bust pipe, and when the feds them put you in a one room and two man in a some jacket suit walk in and start show you some video, start show you some big file also with a whole bunch of evidence where they have against you, man a go ball. Some man say them a girlies, some man say them a bad man, some man say them a this, some man say them a that. But at the end of the day, the truth will speak for itself. The facts will speak for itself when the feds them hold you. Cause the feds them no do capping. The feds them no cap at all. Then we make you do what you do. 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. Proper investigation. Cross all of them T and dot all of them I's. So remember, me tell you say every tool where them showing a music video when I register to a certain company, them I go watch it. They have the video them I go look for see any marking panny. Me tell you say them I go do ballistic pan the bullet them where they pan the sidewalk. Cause enough man say them are dads now. And enough of them no know say them for wear gloves when them are lose the magazine. Remember me never tell you that. So you know say fingerprint I go do as well. And the man them did in a video I show a certain tool. Enough of the video them I show some chip Gl0ck, a crazy chip Gl0ck in the Instagram video them. And remember say Jump Out TV production, they tell us say once on erase certain things off of the internet is still there. Anything where you put on the internet cannot be moved. It cannot be scrubbed. If it's scrubbed off of the internet, are just from the public, regular people. But the feds them can get it. Google still have the information them. Yahoo still have the information them. Facebook still have the information. YouTube still have it. And Instagram still have it. So the whole of the video where some man a post up certain tool and I make video and I take picture, even where you delete it off of your Instagram, it still did it. So once them go to a judge and them have reason, evidence, probable cause, and them go to the judge give them a subpoena and them bring that to Google or them bring that to Yahoo. In this situation, the feds them subpoena Yahoo. So Yahoo are going to give them every information per 6ixBoss. 6ixBoss right now have a better case right now for just plead guilty, take the plea deal. You know want to go one-on-one with the feds. You know want to go court with the feds cause the court now the feds now got court for lose. So right now 6ixBoss can face a RICO. People, the case take a terrible twist right now, which this twist is not in favor of 6ixBoss. One thing we tell you now, we now fight against the artists. Big up 6ixBoss, but 6ixBoss is a talented artists. We see where Cartel go through. We see where Ninja Man go through. Tommy Lee go through. And we beg the artists, say, love certain friggery. We know, say, you're paranoid. We know, say, you see certain things happen when you're young. And we know, say, you've been through certain things. Your mother and other people probably feel to say, we are bring you down, yo. But we see, say, you're talented. One thing, the streets have never lost. Prison have never lost. Them always come out the victor. And we not like see when we Jamaican brother them were talented and gifted like a 6ixBoss find himself in a certain situation. You can't say bloggers are tell lie or bloggers are lie, but the feds now have no reason to pick pan squash 6ixBoss. You have to give the feds a reason to investigate you or have you under surveillance. Once the feds have you under surveillance, that mean them a bill a case. That mean them have reason to feel to say you do something illegal. You're a criminal and you invest in a crime and violence. That is the only reason why the feds are going to free you. You have to do something illegal. And once the feds take up a case against 6ixBoss, that mean to say them not have time for waste. Them not go waste no traffic ticket or man no. When the feds run in a big case, remember say the feds tell the local police to drop the case so them can take it up. Feds only go for big case, man like P. Diddy them, Jay-Z them, and certain people. So once you see the feds running, you know, say this serious. Me a talk about jump out a frying pan and jump in a the fire. So right now, the feds subpoena Yahoo for turn over every information pan squash 6ixBoss. Any social media or any app where Yahoo own, where squash 6ixBoss use to communicate with anybody, videos, phone call, text message, seeing voice note, all of that Yahoo are going to turn over to the feds, which be used against squash in the court of law. Remember, Andrew Holness, a crazy tool, I left from America, go back to Jamaica, and I mash up the country. And they want to get rid of enough of them criminals here where I mash up Jamaica. Remember, all of the phone call them, 200 to 300 phone call from Chrome Detention Center in Miami, Florida. The feds them have every information. Why you think no artist now big up squash? Why you think everybody take with themselves and no one have nothing to do with squash? When it come to the feds them, nobody no one get involved. So right now squash can face up to 30 years in a prison because the case take a terrible twist. Certain tool where them see in the video them are going to use them video there against squash 6ixBoss. So if you did a whole tool for your friend, that is evidence. If you do a video with illegal tool, it will be used against you. If you have a video where you discharge certain tool, like you show a man say bap 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 bap, yes, that will be used against you in the court of law because you are illegal in the United States of America. The Second Amendment does not apply to squash 6ixBoss because he's an illegal alien, an illegal resident. So every video where they make, what we did tell them say, take down them video there, stop post this, stop post that, stop show off them chip Gl0ck there, stop show one bag of shot around you with illegal tool. all of them video there will be used against you in the court of law. This is not the views of Jump Out TV production, but what the pan feds them website and where them put out there in a them case against Squash 6ixBoss. Seeing people, this is just an opinion or feelings or allegedly where you want to call it, but on the day we are going to see what take place. So Squash have till August 20th to make a decision if he going to take the plea deal or he going to go court in a September. Jump Out TV production. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm out.